Yo guys, want all of the all I man them for kinda stay safe out there, you see me? Wear one helmet as best as you can. Rasta! Wear one helmet as best as you can, you see me? Enough accident a go on. Well, accidents been a go on. You see it? But I just want the man them to stay safe, dog. More it kinda say, yo, if an accident go on, the biker was wearing his helmet, the biker was properly fitted in his gears, and you see me? Them thing they make you look good. Although an accident go on, you see it? Them thing they make you look good same way. So yeah man, protect on yourself, dogs. Protect on yourself, cause right now me there and I think about it and I say, yo, enough young youth losing life, you know man. Me not like your indicator run about this, so red. Can't see no. I turn. Yeah, so I just want the man to protect themselves, because as me I say, good bump here, frick. The driver them done find we a nuisance on the road already, you know. You see me? They done find we a nuisance on the road. So if you can make yourself less of a nuisance, I don't know how. Oh my god, this road is so bad, yo. Freaking A, man. Golly. Yeah. If you can make yourself less of a nuisance on the road, then I'll just so. You see me? I mean, not lie. Sometimes we can take time to. Me not gonna lie. Sometimes we can take time, brother. And all the time we feel go hard. Up and down, blazing. But nice, you know, yo. You see, for me, bike is my getaway. You see, anytime I feel a certain type of way, I know say once I go up on my bike, everything I got change, brother. You see me? Everything I got change. So as I said, bike to me is my type of getaway. Anytime I feel bad, bike. You see me? Anytime I don't want to talk to nobody, bike. You see it? Eat, sleep, breathe, bike. Wow, they look good here. Yeah. And more the man them fi practice like certain like defensive riding, basically. Defensive riding. Oh, it's stop like that, turn. Then me can pull a one wheel up so before them carrier get too close to me. Oh my god, no! I hate it when that happens, yo. Bike just lock off on you. Especially, watch out, miss. I go through, but me I'm looking up now. Enough time them boy there. Them boy they broke the light, you know. You have to watch them good, you know, man. You have to watch them good. You have to like look on the car and say, alright, the car look like it nah plan to slow down. Me get out of the way, you see me? Oh, I got to make some. I have two good videos that I really want to push out. One of them is one beginner questions video. Use my hand because that's a taxi and people are come out of a taxi. So you have to use your hand because people will want to cross the road and them thing there. You see me? Them little thing there, brother, a good thing for you to do. Switch lane look. speed up. Yeah, so I make two good videos. One of them is basically some beginner riders, like some questions. Like the beginner bikers, them ask some questions, or not even beginner bikers, but bikers for not all ask some questions and we answer them as best as me can. You see me? Because we know say enough people right now, whether man or woman, you start out with bike or you have a little preference with bike or you like bike and you want some information. You see me? But you don't have nobody to talk to. You don't know nobody will ride bike. You see me? All of them things there. So me there in another space, you know, willing to spread my knowledge, so to speak. You see it? Carry a lot me down. Spread my knowledge and, you know, help you out as best as me can. And, you know, yeah. So I go put up a community question on my YouTube. If you go up on like my home page and you go community, you will see it and thing. See, like I said, no stoplight. I try my best for now. Go through stoplight fast. Slow down. You see them vehicles every one turn. Them can't judge your speed, you know. Them cannot judge your speed. So they might see how far and say, alright, they might make it. And then go turn out and two are you that. You see me? Right in front of them. Because bikes are quick. Most bikes are quick. So by the time a driver fi make a little estimation and say alright, a little judgment and say alright, them a go reach. Woo! Them might reach down before they might cross before the biker. Sometimes it's off. Watch a carrier. Me know, you know. Before I put on him indicator, I see it. Before I put on him indicator, I see it. You have to read. This is called defensive riding. Reading the road, reading what every car I go do before them do it. So, yeah. Oh yeah, another update. A lot of you guys are new, so you probably don't know, but I met in an accident in 2022. Yeah, minor accident. Bike did mash up and thing though. I'm gonna release that video there soon. I'm gonna release that video there soon because we sit down Panda video there far too long. Nothing not going with the case. Helicopter. Nothing not going with the case. Helicopter over. Nothing not going with the case. We're going to release a video there because screw them, screw the liars, screw everybody. Nothing not going. The case just sit down. You see me? From 2022, that year you're going to make 2 years. October I'm going to make 2 years. And still no sort of justification, nothing. So yeah, that's that folks. I go sign off, you know. So